Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my carry-on bag video. If you're one of those girls that likes to see what other girls carry in their purses, you'll enjoy this. Yeah, I fly maybe like 3 to 4 times a year, so I'm actually on a plane a lot, so I've learned a lot through trial and error what you can bring on a plane, what you should, what you don't really need. So I think this will be helpful for people if they are, going on a vacation soon and need to start packing. Hopefully this will inspire you to bring certain things with you. Yeah, so let's get started. My carry-on bag is actually this. It's pretty big, but let me move over so you can see it. It's this Juicy Couture hot pink bag. I actually thought my hair almost went on fire. Now that would be a YouTube video. See, it's a hot pink Juicy Couture bag and it has gold straps. I mean, it's pretty big, but I think this is like a cool carry-on bag because you can throw some stuff in here, like maybe that didn't fit in your suitcase or whatever. I'm sorry, that's a really scary noise. My entire neighborhood is under construction right now. Anyways, yeah, I really like this bag, and let's just check out what's inside. Okay, so it's pretty funny because the first thing I'm gonna pull out for you guys is another bag. I'm actually putting this in here because when I'm on vacation, I usually, like if we're going out to dinner, I want a little bag to bring with me, and I'm not gonna bring this whole thing to the restaurant. Yeah, just a little bag. So this one's by Coach. This is actually a really old Coach bag. I mean, like, they probably still have it, but I didn't get it recently. I got it a couple of years ago, so they probably still have it, but I'm not 100% sure. But it's really cute. I think it's really versatile. It'll match really anything. Yeah, it has a little diamond teddy bear. He has a little diamond on his belly. It's so cute. If I just get to the hotel and I really want to go swimming or like just go to the beach straight away and I don't feel like unpacking, so excited to just go in the pool and get in the sun. So I always keep a bathing suit in here just so I have it on handy if I need it. If you watch my videos, you know how much I love Harley Quinn. She's like my favorite. So I actually got this Harley Quinn bikini. How cute! So it's like the cartoon Harley Quinn, not Suicide Squad. So if you're a little confused, that's why. Because she's got the black and red, basic black bottoms with like a cool stripe material on the side. So, okay. The next thing I carry is a book. Oh, the book that I'm gonna bring on with me, the book that I'm currently reading is The Power of Now, and I really like it so far. It's actually really opened my eyes like to life. But seriously, it really changes your perspective on, the way you live and how often we think and how really nothing actually exists except for the present moment. If you're interested in, living a stress-free life, read The Power of Now. Yeah, I recommend it so far, but I'm not done, so. Okay, so this little, like, I don't even know, it's like, I don't even know what this is called. Yeah, so I put this in there to carry, like, my makeup in. I also like to bring this, like, to the beach with me because like it won't get wet, like you could put your phone in here, your sunglasses, and it'll all be protected. So I like these little bag things. Some gum. Actually I have like 2 packs right here. This one's not open, but I keep it with me because if I run out of gum, I need another, because gum is so important to me. Like anytime I eat a meal, I put gum in my mouth because yeah. I have my Rosebud Salve by Smith's. A lot of you guys probably recognize this, but in the it's like a tin, but it's in a different tube, so it's really cool. I love this. It really makes my lips soft, and it smells like roses, which I love. I love floral scented things. Favorite little flower lipstick. I've talked about this in my video. It's by Candy for Beauty. I'm actually one of their sponsors, so if you want to get a lipstick 50% off, you could just use my code Brianna. And yeah, stick. It has a little flower in it, and it's actually a developmental color, so like you put it on your lips and you won't see a color at first, but over the course of the day it'll turn into like a hot pink. Then I have my favorite lip gloss at the moment, and it's Dior Lip Maximizer. Looks like this, like a neutral mauve pink, so it matches any makeup look that you would do, and it's a lip maximizer, which I love, so it like makes your lips tingle and it plums them. To be honest, I might not purchase it again because the tube is really small, and I don't find that it's really as maximizing as other lip plumpers I've used, but it's alright. I don't hate it, but I might not buy it again, so I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh my god, go and get the Dior lip gloss, it's amazing, because it's like an 8 out of 10. So then I have my wallet, which is, you know, obviously essential. I carry a lot of singles with me, that's why the wallet is so like thick. I can't even close it right now, but I'm gonna fix that soon. And yeah, money when you're at the airport, when you're on vacation. Obviously you need money for going shopping or out to eat, so gotta have your wallet with you. I love this wallet. It holds all of my cards in here easily, and I just love how the BB is like diamond studded. Matches my normal everyday bag, so yeah, I love my BB wallet. I have a pair of sandals, so I'm just gonna show you one pair of shoes that I really love right now, and they're these like jelly sandals. I got these at Aldo. Like this, you're probably like, oh my god, those probably hurt your feet so much, and I was thinking that too, but they were so cute I had to get them. But I actually wore them and I walked around a mall for like, you know, hours, and my feet didn't hurt, so if you want these shoes, don't be afraid. They're really comfortable and adorable. Next I have another sparkly item. Shocking. It's this clip, which I don't know if I've mentioned this to you guys before, but I almost always have a clip in my hair. I always have to have a clip on me. So this is one of my favorites because it's silver and it kind of matches anything, and it's so sparkly and pretty. Another essential in my carry-on bag is a scrunchie. I love like the velvet scrunchies like these. They're like so 90s. I actually have so many. Like I was thinking of doing like a scrunchie collection because I have so many different types of ones, like different patterns and colors and stuff. It'd be really fun to make a video about it. But I love these scrunchies. I believe they're actually even better for your hair because the elastic isn't like so abrasive on your hair. I love having this yellow scrunchie with me. And then of course I have a pair of sunglasses. These sunglasses I've had for a really long time now. They're pretty big. Let's see if I can put them on. Wow, I just feel like Sharpay. I was about to start singing Fabulous, but I got nervous. Pink and rose gold detailing right here. It's actually by Jessica Simpson. They're pink and really big. Next thing I have in my carry-on is my keys, because my keys carry my portable charger. This one's from Fashion Nova, and hand sanitizer. Yeah, but on here, that's basically all I don't really need, like, I have like a lot of keys to like my jobs, like to get in my job. But you know, when I get home from vacation, like, you know, you never know who's gonna need to open the door. What if it's me? I mean, because you never know. So yeah, that's my little keys and keychains and stuff. So that is all that was in a spa. I love watching these videos and I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, leave any requests that you have for me to make a video on below. And if you like my videos, subscribe and like and stuff, just so I know what you guys are liking. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.